Welcome to Study Loop.
So we need to find f-stop at 1/400th of seconds to find out the lens opening. Now, in example 25.2, we see that exposure is related to the lens opening area and the time, or the time of exposure. And so we can actually relate the two times and lens opening areas, and that should be equal to our exposure. And we know that, again, from this example, we know that our lens opening area is inversely proportional to the square of f-stop. So this is inversely proportional to the square of f-stop. So we can replace this guy over here to find out f-stop at 1/400th of seconds. So for this, let's say this is f-stop 2, and for 100th of seconds, let's call the lens opening as f-stop 1, so which is related to a1. Now, if we substitute this relation over here, we get t1 times f-stop to the power minus 2, which is equal to t2 f-stop 2 to the power minus 2. Right, and from there we can solve for f-stop 2, which is going to be f-stop 1 times t2 over t1 square root. So f-stop 2 will be equal to, so f-stop 1 is given, which is 16. Then for time, it's 1/400th of second divided by 1/100th of second, and that gives us an f-stop of 8, or f over 8. So that's our lens opening. Thank you.